What if Suzuki's most important SUV for Latin America is not the one everyone expected? The 2027 Suzuki Across has arrived with a mission that could shake the compact SUV segment. To become the brand's flagship, challenge the Grand Vitara and prove that Suzuki can deliver a smarter, better-equipped SUV without losing its value-driven identity. But here is the twist. This Across is not the European model based on the Toyota RAV4. The version entering Latin America is completely different, built in India and known there as the Suzuki Victoris. That matters because this SUV is not just another rebadged product. It is Suzuki's attempt to create a refined option for buyers who want practicality, efficiency, and stronger presence. Built on the Heartect platform shared with the Grand Vitara, the new Across receives improvements designed to make it feel more solid and safer. Its 4.3-meter length and 2.66-meter wheelbase place it directly in the compact SUV battle. But its design is where the story becomes more interesting. The front end looks clean, futuristic, and electric-inspired, with slim LED lighting, reduced air intakes, and sharper personality. At the rear, connected LED elements add a premium touch, while the side profile keeps familiar Suzuki SUV confidence. Inside, the Across focuses on technology without becoming complicated. A 10.25-inch digital cluster, a 10.1-inch central screen, wireless connectivity, eco-leather details, and features like ventilated seats, electric adjustment, a sunroof, 360-degree camera, head-up display, wireless charging, and premium audio make it feel more complete than expected. Safety also becomes a major weapon, with 6 airbags, autonomous emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Under the hood, Suzuki keeps things efficient with a 1.5-liter DualJet Mild-Hybrid engine producing 101 horsepower and 137 newton-meters of torque. It is not built to be a performance SUV, but with fuel economy close to 16 kilometers per liter, it promises low running costs for daily driving. Still, there are questions. The 5-speed manual feels dated, Chile receives only front-wheel drive, and the torsion beam rear suspension may not please everyone. With prices starting near $21,300 and reaching around $25,000, the 2027 Suzuki Across enters Latin America as a serious value threat. It is modern, efficient, well-equipped, and bold enough to make even the Grand Vitara look over its shoulder.